Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nusam Alzad. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Engineering at Daffodil International University. I completed my SSC exam from Uttar School and College in Science Group, and also HSC exam from Milestone College in the also Science Group. I am aspiring software and technology professionally with a strong interest in programming, problem solving, and software development. My goal is to apply technical knowledge in real world project while continuously learning and growing in the IT industry. In terms of technical skills, I have experience with C programming, JavaScript, HTML, and MySQL. I have also studied important computer science subjects such as data structure and algorithm, database management system, and object-oriented programming. Additionally, I have basic knowledge of Git for version control. Throughout my academic journey, I worked on several projects that helped me strengthen my practical skill. One of my projects is a library management system. I developed functionalities or managing books, student records, book issue, and return process. This project improved my understanding of data management system and design. Another project is supply chain management system developed as a database driven solution. In this project, I worked on inventory management, supplier tracking, and product distribution process using database concept. I also developed a ride sharing system using object oriented programming and principle. The system include user registration, ride booking, and driver management features. Helped me gain hand-on experience in software design and development. Apart from technical skill, I am a dedicated learner, a team player, and someone who enjoys solving challenges through technology. I am always eager to learn new tools, technologies, and industry practice that can help me become a better software engineer. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video resume. I look forward to opportunities where I can contribute my skill, learn from experienced professionals, and grow my career in the technology industry. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.